Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. In this session, we are going to explore how xBridge transforms driver agent responsibilities in tokenized security markets and why cross-chain coordination is now critical for governance, accountability, and shareholder record integrity. The focus is on how tokenized equities operate across multiple blockchains, how regulatory compliance and ownership rules can be preserved, how shareholder records remain synchronized, and how governance processes stay coordinated, even as assets move between networks. xBridge represents next generation infrastructure developed in partnership with channeling and back finance. Its purpose is to allow tokenized stocks to move between blockchains without breaking the core financial properties that traditional equity markets rely on, such as ownership integrity, compliance rules, and corporate action consistency. Traditional equity markets assume there is always one authoritative shareholder record, one registry, one transfer agent, and one ledger snapshot define ownership at any point in time. Cross-chain tokenized equities break this assumption because assets can exist and move across multiple networks simultaneously. This creates a structural problem that cannot be solved with generic token bridges. xBridge does not eliminate transfer agents. Instead, it transforms their role. Transfer agents move from managing ownership on a single ledger to coordinating ownership across multiple blockchains, while still preserving a single source of truth. xBridge enables verified movement of tokenized equities across blockchains without creating duplicate ownership records. Assets can move freely while remaining part of a single, coherent equity structure that transfer agents and regulators can trust. Ownership relevant events are verified, propagated consistently across all connected chains, and aligned without duplicating supply. As a result, shareholder records remain accurate, synchronized, and authoritative even in a multi-network environment. As tokenized securities become cross-chain, transfer agents evolve into cross-chain registry coordinators. Their responsibility expands from maintaining a single ledger to ensuring ownership continuity, governance integrity, and accountability across multiple blockchain networks. This represents an operational evolution, not a replacement. xBridge preserves governance as tokenized equities move across blockchains by keeping dividends, voting rights, and corporate actions consistent everywhere. This ensures shareholders' rights remain aligned with true ownership, regardless of which network the token resides on. So, xBridge maintains a single economic position for each tokenized security across multiple blockchains. Each share is counted exactly once, allowing transfer agents to preserve a unified and accurate shareholder registry without duplication or conflict. It enables accountable cross-chain transfers through variable messages rather than opaque custody mechanisms. Every movement is authorized, traceable, and auditable, giving regulators and transfer agents clear visibility into ownership changes. So this highlights a live production pilot. Back Finance uses xBridge to enable tokenized stocks to move across blockchains while preserving dividend entitlements, coordinating stock splits, and maintaining ownership integrity. This pilot demonstrates that regulated tokenized equities can operate cross-chain without breaking governance or shareholder records. In the long term, coordination layers like xBridge are expected to become essential infrastructure, maintaining a single source of shareholder truth and driving the evolution of transfer agents into governance and accountability stewards. Tokenman supports institutions navigating the shift to cross-chain equity markets. We provide strategic guidance on regulatory and operational requirements, design solutions aligned with real compliance needs, and help organizations pilot and scale infrastructure like xBridge while validating ownership integrity early. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to build trusted, compliant cross-chain equity infrastructure using xBridge, reach out to us. We'd love to help you bring the next generation of tokenized capital markets to life.